Hey guys, it's iOSTipsAndTricks here, and I'll be showing you this glitch that I found. It's not exactly a glitch, but it's like a glitch. I'm sorry if you hear any things in the background, but as you all know, Count HD has been put off the iPad 3 and I say under, but if you have an iPad 3, it won't work. So there's no jailbreak to it, so just go into Google. I have downloaded it, so go right into it. So on the Google page, on the right is cartoon HD, or I can write japp.center.com, and that just takes me to, let me just see. Nope. Just don't write Gap Center. Don't write that. Just write Cartoon HD in Google on your iPad. Then just go on the first one that says Cartoon HD there. jappcenter.com, and all the best moves are there. So all you have to do is click. Should come up like a page like this. There's Cartoon HD. It says available on the App Store. So this is the thing that I went on. My dad, you see, he loves his movies, and I want to use them, but my phone doesn't do it. So I went on Google and just wrote Cartoon HD. What I found is this. All I did was there's update. What I did was press available on the App Store. It will say this action opens an external application to return. Double click the home button. I do not want to do that. You do not want to do that. And it says leave Google search. That's what you want to do. So don't press anything, just press OK. What it will say is ia601302.us.archive.org would like to install Cartoon HD. Install, and then there it is. It just downloads, so come back. It'll take a few minutes. Look. So yeah, Cartoon HD, yay. For the users, it says just Cartoon HD there. And I'm sorry, there is no. So let's see if I enjoy the Sunbell. What I will show you is, I'm just going to paste on this. But wanted. It's very old.